Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Out and About in Calaveras County with Tim and Lisa, and the showcasing of another new listing. Today is January the 15th, 2026, and we are in Arnold, California in the Meadowmont Village subdivision on Pine Drive. Situated on 0.29 of an acre, we have just under 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a detached garage. Let's take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the coverage of the new listing on Pine Drive. If you'd like more information or you'd like to see the property in person, please reach out to us. By the way, my name is Tim Muetterties and I sell real estate in Calaveras County, along with my wife, Lisa.